Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to get finance jobs in Germany. First, focus on acquiring a strong academic background, typically a master's degree in finance, economics, or business administration. Next, secure internships or entry-level roles to build practical experience, which is highly valued. Finally, prioritize learning German. Many roles require at least a B2 proficiency for effective communication in the workplace. To truly stand out, a master's degree in finance, economics, or a similar quantitative field is often a significant advantage. Employers also seek candidates with exceptional analytical and quantitative abilities, demonstrating a deep understanding of financial markets and data. Furthermore, practical skills with industry-standard software, such as advanced Excel functions and SAP, are essential for daily tasks and will make your application more competitive. Networking is incredibly important. Attend industry events and connect with professionals on platforms like LinkedIn to discover opportunities. When applying, customize your resume and cover letter for every single role, highlighting how your skills directly match the job description. Finally, practice extensively for interviews, preparing for both technical finance questions and common behavioral scenarios to demonstrate your fit and expertise. Navigating the German work visa process is a critical step, so research the specific requirements and begin your application well in advance. Also, thoroughly investigate housing options and the cost of living in your desired city to plan your budget effectively. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, perfect for reading anywhere, as well as other great deals. This preparation ensures a smoother transition to your new finance career in Germany.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.